I love this little massage for and fascia release for the forearms. We do so much with our hands and with our keyboarding and things like that, and we don't really pay much attention until there's maybe some pain or wrist pain, some carpal tunnel, things like that. But this feels so nice, and if you have tight forearms, you will know right away, and it will feel really good. So there's a couple of ways to do this. You could have a dowel or something like this, or you could have a couple of balls, and you could either put them in like maybe a sock or something so that they are together like that. And then all you're going to do is put them on a hard surface. It could be a counter or whatever. I have the floor here. You're going to take your forearm with the palm down, and you're just going to put the ball under like your elbow and then just bring it forward to the wrist. So you're just kind of doing a stroke or a sweeping motion from elbow to wrist. And then you can explore turning the palm inwards and upwards so that that massage is going around the whole forearm. And as you do this, you'll feel this beautiful kind of massaging and releasing in the forearm area, especially if they're tight, right? You could also explore while you're doing this, making a fist and bringing the fist up towards your forearm with the ball underneath your forearm as well. And even doing a little double motion there. So maybe the forearm is rolling on the ball, but you're also making the fist and bringing that tension that way as well. So you have both compression from the balls, but you also have the flexion and extension of the wrist. Give that a try. It feels really good.